Diablo 4 Season 4 is live, and we've found the forbidden builds. These are so powerful, you absolutely cannot tell anyone. Seriously, it's our little secret for Season 4 domination. First up, the Barbarian. The new charge build has insane mobility and burst damage, making demons regret existing. Or, the Thorns build lets enemies defeat themselves. So much power. Next, for you magic wielders, the Sorcerer's Ball Lightning build is still zapping everything into oblivion. Or, the Ice Shards build turns enemies into frozen confetti. It's shockingly good. Don't forget the Necromancer. The minion build finally lets your undead army shine. Or, the Bone Spear build pierces bosses like butter. Summon your inner darkness and dominate. Now go forth, fellow wanderers, and dominate Season 4 with these absurdly strong builds. Just remember, the first rule of Fight Club. Don't tell anyone. Like and subscribe for more secrets.